report.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Reed. You guys, see how you guys deal with things? Number one, what is bugging me? You and Mrs. Taylor are very unprofessional, especially Mrs. Taylor. How you guys handle the situation is not the correct way. When I was in the interview, you said that it was 38,000. And of course, I watched how you were behaving when I mistakenly say 30,000. Second of all, 30,000 can't pay nobody. And you are with fear school and a register. But you are your ugly man. An ugly looking tailor. An ugly looking tailor man. You don't think you can take people good, righted, picnic take ton idiot? Let me tell you this. You see you go to Sam Shop, go and go work in your school. Because none of you no shape like me. None of you no look like me. And none of you no educated more than me. So you see the 35,000, you can take it and push you up in on the battle and take you up back on me. Tomorrow morning, I will be reporting that school to the Ministry of Education. So you can stay there and think so you go there, run school and in a register and want underpay people and take how much lesser plan from people. I wish you happy dance with the lesser plan you get already. All viper, all cockroach, all sick a concubine the two of you. Two of you shit. You not have to see me as a professional. You not have to employ me because I ain't go take you work on the place in the first place. Number one, on school no depend no map. On school no knowing. Nobody know how to work for no because the two of two set a concubine. The two of two set a two set a termite. You know and talk the truth. Say the teacher when did there. You know when they underpay because when she go in at the interview, you tell her say, how much she go pay. You go pay her. And when she take the work, you underpay the woman. And they walk out the woman. But me have news here. You scrimmage. You underlooking privileged dog. You look like a dog who have mums. You look like a dog who want lampile. Let me tell you this. None of uno can underpay me and me work with uno. None of uno no have nothing bad to say about me. Can you see when they hype up a little nasty, sickening, shit house, sick to myself Thursday, or me humble and I watch you when I dep on the top of your voice about 35,000 we have to pay and 35,000 it is. You need to take you and buy some food name and buy one buckle of lampire biryani. And back of that, buy one buckle of Grandma Zone. You know see if you conduct yourself or you dey talk to me Thursday. Like me your daughter. You can't chat to your ugly looking daughter, your ugly looking man. So me dey carry the key good on your man workplace right now go give him or tomorrow. So make me know when in the day if you go give him. That me dey make you know. You can't style nobody with no school and no depart map. Uno school no register. Nobody no know no school. Uno school I want little underprivileged broke down building where nobody no want go in. Much as uno school no have no name. The lady and ministry make sure call me Friday and say to me if my name is on the thing, I must be careful how I go about this school and mind my reputation. Me no want no warning from ministry. Uno could have never get me for work on no place. But coupon you to about 35,000, you have to pay on 35,000 it is. You know nobody? Go take you 35,000 and buy one buckle of lampile. But coupon uno. Coupon uno. You feel about shit. Make me know when uno go get, make me know when you go carry key go give your man. Or me left you me go left you key a Barney Street police station. Go pick up that day. Feel about shit house. And kiss me and spam back of that too. Shouldn't be the one telling me about unprofessionalism because you're not professional. You're not dressed professional. Your face not look nowhere near professional. And guess what? You're not talk to people professional. So you see when they correct people, check yourself. Check yourself. And you go chat about how we go look on me if you underpay me. You need to go sit back in the drawing book. You need to go back, go turn up in the drawing line. And you need to go back, go rebound over your ugly looking same thing like a when dog one lampile. Come off of my phone. But you want correct. I'm going to out your man batty will and take the 35,000 and go buy some tablets, some iron tablet and vitamin and perital and some food and some cornmeal and some lampile and Grandma Zone behind that all drunk. Anybody you want listen to advice note, I mean no response.